Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to refund items on Roblox mobile, then this is the right video for you. First, open your Roblox app. Once you're in, tap on the three dots on the bottom right. Now, scroll down and go to Help. Now, scroll down again and tap on Contact Us. From here, go to Support Form. Once you're in the form, fill in your information like your first name, your email address. Then confirm your email address and then select your device. Then choose your help category. After that, describe your issue in the box. Once it's done, tap on Submit. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.